Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and short review of a car battery charger that I bought off Amazon. You can see it's the Pulse charger. It's from BuddyGo and it's a really cool charger. It has a few different features and functions. So here we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. So inside the box you get a user manual and the charger itself. It's a 3-pin UK adapter with it, so it can be used in a UK standard plug. Here you can see the company Foxor. It's two companies, Foxor and also BuddyGo. It's listed as. There's a quick look at the instruction manual and the features that it has. So it has a 3-stage charging with an automatic high frequency charging. It has a trickle charge, fast charge and top off function. It has 6 working modes, which are car or truck mode, motorcycle, AGM, repair, summer and winter. You can maintain a trickle charge on a big battery. You can use motorcycle function for a trickle charge. It's got a wide voltage, so it works with 12 volt and 24 volt batteries, up to 140 watts of power and 8 amps fast charge. It's got many uses, so you can use it for golf cart, motorbike, lawnmower, RV, SUV, etc. It's got protection and it's easy to operate. The LCD display is quite clear and quite cool. It will display charging, voltage and current. It will display a temperature of the actual charger. It will display which mode you're in. It will display if you've got reverse connection or output short circuit. And it's got a touchscreen charging mode indicator LED. In the box you get the charger and you get the manual as well. It works for most types of lead acid batteries, including calcium, gel, AGM, wet, EFB, 12 volt and 24 volt. Lithium batteries it cannot be used for, so this is no good for lithium batteries. Obviously the red cable positive, black cable negative. So I've used this a couple of times now and I have to say it's actually a really good battery charger. I've used it to charge car battery, I've used it to charge like a 12 volt hobby battery. I've got an old booster pack which I used to use to jump start cars, and the battery was having a few issues, so I actually used a repair function where it pulse charges the battery and it actually managed to repair the battery, and the battery's been working fine since then. So I definitely highly recommend this. You can find it on Amazon, I'll put the link in the description. But you can find it on eBay, you can find it on Wish. So yeah, it's manufactured in China, but I definitely recommend having a look at this charger. It works really well. Used it quite a few times now and haven't had any issues. It has a fan built into it as well to help cool the device. It is a little bit cheap, like the plastics do feel a little bit cheap, so I wouldn't recommend dropping it or anything like that. It may break, but if you're using it as a normal charger, you're not using it in an extremely rugged environment, then I think it's definitely a good purchase rather than some of the name brands out there. So I was looking at some of the name brands and they're really expensive, £60 plus, whereas this I bought on sale for £22 and you can normally find it around that price. So I definitely look into getting this battery charger. But if you enjoyed the video and you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, don't forget to comment as well what you think. If you have this battery charger, let me know how it is for you. I'll hopefully be doing a few more videos. I've got a few car parts from Wish and things like that which I want to do a review of and install on my car, so I'll hopefully do a few more videos of them. But if you like it, then please subscribe, please press the like button, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.